Hey, it's Dr. J. Hi everybody, I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to check for plagiarism inside of discussions. So we're going to go to Marketing Management 3023. In Marketing Management 3023, we're going to scroll down to Discussions, the first one, Introduction Discussions. Now in this discussion, we're going to go to Speed Grader. So this is where your student submission would actually be. So you would copy the submission from here. And then I already have a pre-formatted item in here. I would paste it into Grammarly. As you can see, there's 100% plagiarism, but it also checks for other items as well. So now that we see that this is 100% plagiarized, based on what it says right here, the score is 87. So here's the score and the overall items that this checked for. In order to save this, you would download the report, and then you would go back to your assignment and attach it to this item while giving the student feedback on why they received a low or no score. The students then received the comments and the document submitted, and now you have checked for plagiarism in their discussions. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. I am here for you and your success. Have a wonderful day.